Hello and welcome you all. Today we will do some questions from exercise 6.1 which is based on lines and angles. So our first question for today is, in the given figure, lines AB and CD intersect at O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree and angle BOD is equal to 40 degree, then find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. So as you can clearly see, the figure in which ray OE and OC both stands on a line segment AB. So by linear pair, we can say that angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equal to 180 degree. And in our question, we know that angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. So from here, we get the value of angle COE, which is equal to 180 minus 70 degree. And this is equal to 110 degree. Now we have to find reflex angle COE. So here we can subtract angle COE, which is 110 degree by 360 degree. So reflex angle COE is equal to 360 minus 110, which is equal to 250 degree. And now, according to the figure, we can see that ray OE and OP both stand on a line segment CD. So again, by linear pair, we can say that angle COE plus angle BOE plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degree. And now we know the value of angle COE, which is equal to 110 degree. And we know the value of angle BOD, which is given in our question, which is equal to 40 degree. So from here, we can find the value of angle BOE, which is equal to 30 degree. And now our second question for today is, in the given figure, lines XY and MN intersect at O. If angle POY is equal to 90 degree and the ratio of A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3, then find the value of C. So student, in this type of question, let's say the ratio be X. So the value of A will be equal to 2x and B will be equal to 3x. As per the figure, we can clearly see that ray OM and OP stands on a line segment XY. So by linear pair, we can say that angle XOM plus angle MOP plus angle POY is equal to 180 degree. So from here, we can write it as B plus A plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. And we know that B is equal to 3x and A is equal to 2x. So from here, we get that 5x is equal to 90. So therefore, x is equal to 18 degree. And now the value of angle MOP, which is equal to A, and this is equal to 2x. So 2 into 18 degree, which is equal to 36 degree. So A is equal to 36 degree. And now angle XOM, which is equal to B. And we know that B is equal to 3x. So 3 into 18 degree, which is equal to 54 degree. And now we can see that ray OX stands on the line segment MN. So by linear pair, we can say that angle MOX plus angle XOM is equal to 180 degree. So B plus C is equal to 180 degree. And we know the value of B, which is equal to 54 degree. So from here, we can find the value of C, which is equal to 180 minus 54 degree. So C is equal to 126 degree. And now our third question for today is, in the given figure, POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to the line PQ. OS is another ray lying between ray OP and OR. So prove that angle ROS is equal to half bracket angle XOS minus angle POS. So in this question, we know that ray OR is perpendicular to line POQ. Therefore, angle POR and angle XOR both are equal to 90 degree. Now student, by taking RHS, which is equal to half angle XOS minus angle POS, by considering the figure, we know the value of angle QOS, which is equal to angle QOR plus angle ROS minus, and we know that angle POS is angle POR minus angle ROS. So from here, we get half is equal to angle QOR plus angle ROS minus angle POR, and minus into minus is plus angle ROS. So from here, we know that angle QOR and angle POR is equal to 90 degree. So from here, we can write it as half is equal to 90 plus angle ROS minus 90 plus angle ROS. And 90 minus 90 will get cancel out. So from here, we get angle ROS plus angle ROS equal to twice of angle ROS. And 2 and 2 will also get cancel out. So we get angle ROS, and this is equal to LHS. So hence proved. And now student, try to do remaining questions of exercise 6.1. Thank you so much. This is the end of this video.